Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian Cole. I am here for SSCC number 35, Speed Society Car Club 35, the unboxing, the reveal, the design breakdown, everything that you want to know, I'm here to tell you. The paradigm. What is the paradigm? That is the cognitive framework of a group, of a society. That is Speed Society Car Club. We are talking about the paradigm, how the paradigm has shifted, how it shifted from automotive culture in the beginning to where we are today, the cultures that we bring together and that we represent in the car club, in automotive lifestyle, in streetwear, everything that is the car club. We've decided to change things a little bit. The past couple designs, all the bangers that we've been dropping, very specific, right? Awesome. Car related, streetwear related, fashion related. This is different. This is a full representation of every single one of you and something that you can wear as a uniform, something that you can always wear any day of the week, any event you're going to, anything that you're doing, a date, a car show, it doesn't matter. It fits for everything. It's modern, it's contemporary, it's classic in design and colorway, and that is the paradigm, SSCC number 35. Here we go. This is the insert every month. You get the insert sent to you, 2 exclusive decals, and the limited edition shirt that you can never buy, purchase, find anywhere on the planet. It's gone forever. And if you're a car club member, you got it. So, insert SSCC number 35. As you can tell, full black and white, modern contemporary theme. This is something that is, again, I hate to say it, but I say it almost every time because I'm so proud of every design that we come out with. This is a banger. Here we go. Speed Society Car Club logo. We have the contemporary black and white. We've got some very aggressive designs that go along with everything that we're doing here with shapes. These lines specifically that represent each and every single one of us, the car cultures, the disciplines that we love and share together and unify together into one piece, and that is the Speed Society Car Club. Number 2, decal. You guys are gonna absolutely love this one. Want to do something a little different, a little wild, and we went full hologram. So we've got a new Speed Society Car Club lockup, and that is all hologram. And I'm just gonna sit here and play around with this for a little bit because that's hot. Love it. Reveal the shirt. Black and white theme, contemporary, modern. It is something that brings together kind of the modern car club enthusiast archetype that we are, that we love. Same situation. If you look at the Speedline collection, clean, black and white, contemporary. Here we go. Speed Society lockup for the car club. Same as the decal, so you can have 2 and 2 and you can place this anywhere that you want. We've got all the unifying lines and the representation of the car club members. We have, like every single car club shirt since the beginning of time, the limited edition number on the arm, and this one has a little bit of custom design work to it, and this is for SSCC number 35. So we've got this cool 35, SSCC number 35 listed, and the limited edition tag down the center of that design. And for the rear of the shirt, I will do a full reveal and you take a second or two to take it all in. Now, super clean. We've got the Speed Society lockup, all the geometric shapes that we have. We have all of the individual lines that unify and bring together every single one of us into this clean and modern contemporary design. We've got a car club hit itself. We have Auto Enthusiasts United, and very important, I wanted to make sure we had a phrase on here that represents us and something that anybody that reads this shirt, anybody that wears this shirt understands who we are and why we are all car club members. Speed Society is a passionate automotive lifestyle brand with a vision to unify a diverse group of motorsports, streetwear, art, and pop culture enthusiasts from around the world. That is exactly what Speed Society Car Club, and that is exactly why you were a car club member. Now, we have an awesome hit here on the back of the shirt. And as you can see, and I'm gonna turn this sideways so you can read it a little bit better. But what you're gonna see here is the streetwear division. The streetwear division, we've got coordinates. The coordinates, I want you to find out what their coordinates are and where that location of the coordinates actually relate to. So when you guys see this, drop those in the comments below. But where are the coordinates of the streetwear division? So Speed Society Car Club, this is the new design for SSCC35. It rocks. You could wear this absolutely everywhere. Every single person's gonna love this shirt. It is going to be a classic, I promise. So that is SSCC number 35. Thank you for being along the ride for me, running through this as quick as possible, getting you guys stoked on every single drop, and I can't wait for the next one. But in the meantime, we are releasing the craziest giveaway car that we have ever done, and we have an amazing charity component to this. You guys have to keep your eyes open. It's gonna be unreal. So until next time, we love you. Thank you for everything that you guys do and help and support us so that we're able to do this and create such amazing things for you and for the entire automotive community and help shape this culture. I thank you. Brian Cole signing off. Love you guys. See you on the next one.